Hi, good morning P4 students. Teacher hope everyone is fine, everyone is good. So we can continue to study about the life cycles of animals. Last week, teacher already told you some animals that have 3 stages of life cycle. The example that teacher already given, cockroach, and then frog, and this is the last, chicken. Okay, and then this week teacher continue with the 4 stages life cycles of animals. The first is a mealworm beetle. This is a mealworm beetle. The mealworm beetle is starting from eggs, and then from eggs it will become larva. This is the larva. The larva is called mealworm. This is the mealworm because this is look like a worm. Okay, after from mealworm change into pupa. This is the pupa. The pupa it's becoming an insect because this is a kind of insect. After from pupa, then change into adult beetle. This is an adult mealworm beetle. Okay, after from this, the adult mealworm beetle laying eggs and then back again to the life cycle. Okay, so this is mealworm beetle has 4 stages of life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult mealworm beetle. Next, the example of 4 stages life cycle is butterfly. Butterfly also starting with the eggs. After the eggs, change into larva. This is the larva. The larva of butterfly usually we call this caterpillar. We call this caterpillar. After that, change into a pupa. The pupa of butterfly we call this a cocoon. This is a cocoon. Then a cocoon change into adult butterfly. Okay, after from adult butterfly, then laying eggs again, back to the first. Next, another example of animals that have 4 stages of life cycle is mosquito. This is the last, the mosquito. Mosquito is starting with the eggs. The egg is clustered and laid in this is in the water. This is the eggs of mosquito. The eggs is in the water. After that, the eggs become larva. The larva of mosquito, we call this wriggler. This is wriggler. And then this one is still living in the water using the breathing tube. This is the organs of mosquito to breathe. After that, the wriggler or larva change into pupa. This is the pupa. The pupa is look like a young mosquito because this is already have tail. Look at this. Look at the mosquito. Mosquito is starting to have tail. After that, become adult mosquito. This is the adult mosquito. And then the adult mosquito laying eggs again, back to the first. Okay, from the 3 animals that teacher already told you, we know that we already know there are 3 animals with different with the 4 stages of life cycle. The first is mealworm beetle. The larva, we know that as the larva of mealworm beetle is, we call that mealworm. The mealworm, and then the butterfly, the larva of butterfly we know as caterpillar, and the larva of mosquito we know as a wriggler. So you should remember that the larva of mealworm beetle is mealworm, and then the larva of butterfly is caterpillar, and then the larva of mosquito we know that as regular. So remember that. Maybe next week teacher will give you oral quiz, so teacher will ask you about our lesson before. So study from the first, the life cycle with 4 stages and 3 stages. Okay, teacher hope you can study at home for next week. Okay, thank you and bye bye.